Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I want to show you this mining platform. This platform has been in existence for more than 577 days now, and I think if they can last up to this, that means they are legit. That is why they last more than this, more than many days like this. As you can see it up here, they are today makes them 577 days that they have been running. So as you can see here, I have already invested about 0.007 BNB because this is a BNB miner platform. This is a BNB miner platform, and if you check here on this platform, you will earn 3% daily, 3% in 24 hours on everything you invest on this platform to mine. So as you can see here, I have about 0.002 already, 0.002 BNB. If you check my wallet, my normal wallet, this is the remaining BNB there. So on this platform, one thing about this platform is that they have compound interest, or you just pocket your BNB. But for me, this is the amount of BNB I input. As you can see it, 0.07. So, and this 0.07 is giving me 1.98 billion miners. 1.98 billion miners. So for me on this platform, I go for compound. One thing about compound is that the moment this BNB in barrel here full, the moment it's full, instead of it to go to my pocket, instead of me to just withdraw it, because it might not be every time I will come back to this platform and start withdrawing. So instead of clicking on pocket your BNB and it will go to my Trust wallet directly, I just click on compound. I just click on compound. My compound, I can just try to do it for just 6 days, then start pocketing my BNB back. So one thing about this compound is that anytime this one completes, it completes here. This is the remaining. It remains 1 hour 70 minutes right now to be full. So instead of it to instead of me to withdraw this to my Trust wallet, I will just it will just go direct to my compound interest. That is, it will add up to this one here. It will add up to this one here. That means I will be having about 0.073 something here. So from this, the amount I will mine next will be more higher than this one here. It will be more higher than this one here. It will be more higher than this one here. The more I have here, the more I will be mining here. The more BNB I will be mining. So you can do this the compound. If you want to go for the compound, you can just do the compound for just like 3 days, 2 days, or a day. But for me, I can do it for just a week, then pocket my profit. Note, you cannot withdraw this one. You can't withdraw this one. You can only withdraw your profit from here. You can only withdraw your profit from here. So instead of me to just pocket my BNB here now, I will just use the compound, then compound it, and it will add up to my TVL again. After it add up to my TVL again, then the next my next mining will be more than this here, will be more than the total I will get here. So this is how the platform work. This platform is BNB miner platform. This platform now has been in existence for almost 2 years now. It want to go to 2 years now. almost 2 years. It will soon click 2 years, as you can see here. 366 or 365 days make 1 year, and this platform has complete about 577 days. That means it's almost 2 year. It's almost 2 year. So guys, this platform, if this platform can last more like this, that means if this platform can come from 1 day to 577 days, that means this platform, they are legit. They are legit. You can try it. You can try them out. So if you want to try them out, you can check the description of this video. Check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. You will see the registration link there on this platform, for this platform. And to register for this platform, all you need to do, after you click on the you copy the registration link, just go to your Trust Wallet here. Just go to your Trust Wallet tab here, then paste the registration link there. So all you need to do is to just come right here on your Trust Wallet tab. As you can see, this is the Trust Wallet I use. So you click on browser, then paste the address here. This is the address. You will see the address on the description of this video. Just paste it here. Then after you paste it, then search it. Then it will take you to the platform page here. So the link you copy, you will paste it here. Just paste it here. This is the link. This is the link. Just paste it here, then search it. When you search it, it will take you to the platform here. It will take you to the BNBMiner platform here. So when you take you to this place, this is what you will see exactly on the page of the platform. You can read more from it. You can read everything from the platform. Now the next thing to do is to click up here. Click at the up here, then change it to this logo, from Ethereum to Smart Chain. Click on it, then change it to this BNB Smart Chain. It will be on this one before. We are not using this one. We are not using. Change it to this one. So when you change it to that, then again you have to click at this three line here. Click on this three line, then click on connect wallet. So when you click on connect wallet, it will show out your normal wallet here. It will show out your wallet, the amount of BNB you have on your wallet. It will show it here. So the next thing to do is to invest, to put money, any amount you have here. Let's say you have 1 BNB on your account here. This is the amount of BNB I have left on my wallet address. So this is the amount I invest. This is the amount I put in. So let's say you want to put in 1 BNB. You will click here. You will enter the 1 BNB in here. 1 BNB. Just enter it here. Then this 1 BNB, with 1 BNB you can hire 27.617 billion miners. As you can see, my own up here, my own is 1.984 million miners. So you can hire many miners with this. So after that, you will click on hire BNB miner. This one you will click here. So immediately you click here, it will take you to, click on it, it will take you to the smart contract call. Then you will have to approve this thing here. You will see where you will have to approve it here. Click approve. As you can see here, I don't have enough BNB, that's why it shows this here. So you will click on approve. That is all. Immediately it's approved, then your money will appear here as it is. As you can see my own here, so your money will appear there. So and your BNB in barrel will start counting, we start reading here. We start reading. As you can see, this is the amount left for it to withdraw. So that is it. So again, after it's like that, then the next thing to do is either you want to compound your interest or you want to pocket your BNB. If you want to pocket your BNB, so immediately you click on your mining starts working, then you click on pocket your BNB. You click here, click on pocket BNB. So immediately your BNB in barrel here finish counting there. Your profit will go to your Binance, your Trust wallet immediately. It will add up to this place. It will add up to the amount you have on your normal Trust wallet, on your Trust wallet. So it will now show here also. It will show here the amount you still have. But if you want to do the compound, then you click on compound, then you accept the contract. So immediately, anytime your profit from here is completed, instead of adding up to this place, the one on your Trust wallet, it will not add up to the place. It will add up to your TVL here. So the more money you have here on your TVL, the more profit you will be making again from here. Instead of me, as you can see here, I make 0.02 13 here now. But immediately this contract here, this BNB in the barrel here complete, then immediately it's complete, then I will be making more than this 0.00213 you are seeing here. So let me just pause this video and wait till the remaining 18 minutes complete so that I can show you what I am telling you, what I mean. So let me just wait for that. Let me pause the video for 18 minutes. So it remained 2 minutes to complete now. 1 minute now. As you can see, it remained 1 minute to complete. So it's complete now. So the next thing to do is to just click on compound. You can withdraw it. You can click on pocket your BNB, or you can just decide to withdraw it. Now click on compound. I want to, instead of withdrawing to my wallet direct, I want to compound it. But if you don't want to do that, you can just click on pocket your BNB. Then it will go to your Trust wallet directly. So right now I want to click on compound. I want to compound it again. So I click on compound. Then approve the contract. So as you can see now, after I do the compound, as you can see, smart contract call executed. So as you can see, my amount here, you can see the amount I have here now is now 0.7400. So if you check my miner again, you will see that my miners has increased to 2 billion miners. So right now, the more I will mine, the amount I will mine next will be more higher than the one I mined before. But if you want to pocket your profit, you can just click on pocket your BNB. Then it will go to your Trust wallet immediately. So guys, this is how this platform work. If you find it helpful, you can try it out. You can check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. All you need to do is to just copy it and paste it on your either your MetaMask or your Trust wallet. I prefer Trust wallet. I like Trust wallet most. So paste it there, then watch the step by step on this video and do your own. So guys, thank you for watching. Oh, if you find this video helpful, please click on that like button, and if you have any other question to ask, you can check the comment section. You can check the comment section and post your comment there. Then I will be happy to reply you if I know the answer to your question. So, and again, if this is your first time on this channel and you have not subscribed to this channel, try to subscribe now and hit the bell behind the subscription button there and click on all, so that anytime I drop another video such like this or more like this, you will be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen coming from YouTube. So thank you guys for watching. Goodbye, and see you next in my next update. Thank you. Goodbye.